I'm doing my second treatment session with my at-home IPL machine from KetchBeauty. And here are my thoughts so far. If you've had laser or IPL treatments before, you kind of know what to expect in terms of how it feels, right? This does not feel as strong as a professional machine, which of course it's not, but it's definitely effective. Like, you can smell the hair burning, you can feel the heat and the little sort of snapping feeling against the skin. So it definitely feels like it's doing something. And I don't know if I'm imagining it, but to be honest, like, when I woke up after my first time using it, I feel like the hair had not grown back as quickly as it normally would by that time, you know? I know I'm ready to press the button and activate the flash when this light starts flashing. Also, this fan can't be blocked by like your hand, so I feel like the device is easier to use when I point the fan and the light upwards, because I can see the light and I can make sure that I'm not covering the air intake. Also have not experienced any irritation from this. I'm really hopeful and optimistic that it is going to make a difference. Keep tuning in for more updates, and if you want to get your hands on one, go check out KetchBeauty.